Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials out of the way and starting tangible fixes right now. Update your Xbox system software so patches and optimizations apply. Once done, look at storage and delete big, unused apps to free space. Make sure you prefer wired Ethernet or move the router closer for fewer dropouts. Then perform a full power cycle, shut down, unplug for 10-20 seconds, and restart, because this clears temporary cache and resolves many sluggish behaviors immediately. Next, you tackle the middle work, storage and network tuning. Move your most played titles to the fastest drive available, internal SSD or a USB 3. Zero external, because load times and streaming depend on drive speed. Pause or limit background downloads and disable auto installs while gaming, since competing I/O slows performance. Also adjust router settings. Enable Co-S or traffic prioritization for your console, and test with a wired connection so latency and packet loss drop, which makes games feel markedly snappier. Finish with final tweaks and a troubleshooting plan you can use if things still lag. Set your power mode consciously. Instant on speeds boot and updates, while energy saving reduces background activity. Choose based on your needs. Reinstall any game that still stutters to rebuild files and remove corruption. If serious slowdowns remain, perform a factory reset, choose the option to keep games and apps first, and only do a full reset if problems persist. If that fails, check network hardware and contact support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.